Hello, you guys. Today I got my one-step hair dryer and styler. Power of a dryer, precision of a styler, smooth frizz-free results in half the time. Iconic technology for fast, silky, smooth results. Large paddle design, dry ease, and smooths hair quickly. Detangling bristles, help dry smooth and style hair. Lightweight design for comfort and ease of use. Max drying power, tangle free drying. So see, I saw this on TikTok and I said this would be perfect for my crochet. The pre-looped and the knotless ones that I'm about to get. And it says tangle free swivel cord. Lightweight design for comfort and easy use. Detangling bristles, dries and smooths hair quickly. 3 heat settings for complete drying and styling flexibility. Large paddle design dries and smooths hair quickly. Add color selection. And this one is black and gold, guys. I think, let's see. I got it off of here on TikTok because I wanted something where I could stretch out me and my princess's hair without any heat damage occurring. And just, get a good idea. Okay, so it is pink and black, guys. This is what she looks like. Get into it. TikTok is that girl. Is y'all seeing this? Now, if I wanted to go in there right now and straighten my curls, I could. I don't feel like it, so I'm not going to. But yes, that girl popped out the box like BBC, didn't she? For the ones out there who know, you know. But okay, you guys. That was my Xrui one-step hair dryer and styler. And this was actually less than $30, guys. I forgot how much it actually was. But it's made in China and it was actually less than $30. So you can't beat that. Professional styling hair tool, and it was less than 30 bucks. All right, you guys, have a divine night. About to go get me something to nibble on. Take my vitamins and probably go back to bed, guys. I kind of exerted a bit of energy today, so I need to get some rest. But be well.